Good morning, good morning. We're going to do Rolling Stones. Get off of my cloud. That's my cloud, baby. I live on an apartment, 95th floor of my block. And I sit at home looking out the window, imagining the world has stopped. Then in flies a guy who's all dressed up just like a Union Jack. He says, I want a 5 pound, I have a kind of detergent pack. I said, hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Don't hang around, cause two's a crowd. My cloud, babe. The telephone ringing, I say, hi, it's me, who's on the line? A voice says, hello, how are you? I guess I'm doing fine. He said, it's 3 a.m., there's too much noise, people want to go to bed. Just cause you're feeling good, you don't have to drive me out my head. I said, hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Don't hang around, cause two's a crowd. My cloud, baby. I was sick and tired, fed up and decided to take a drive downtown. It was very quiet, peaceful, there was nobody, not a soul around. I laid myself out, I was tired, and started to dream. In the morning, parking tickets were like flags stuck on my window screen. I said, hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Don't hang around, cause two's a crowd. My cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Hey, you, get off of my cloud. Don't hang around, cause two's a crowd, baby. Boom! I think we killed it. That went pretty good. I think we killed it. All right, we killed that son of a...